Hello everyone, my name is Rishita. Welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to show you how to do this pretty Valentine Day look. So without any delay, let's get started. I'll start with filling my eyebrows. For that I'll be using this e.l.f. eyebrow pencil. Filling the eyebrows, I'll be using the Swiss Beauty eyebrow palette, and I'll be using this color, this angle brush, and I'm going to pick this shade here, and I'm just going to fill in the eyebrows. Once my eyebrows are done, I like to use the primer on my face. I'm using Color Bar primer. This is one of my favorite primers. It helps to minimize your pores. My next step is to do the color correction. So to hide my dark circles and little darkness in this area, I'm going to use LA Girl Pro Orange Corrector. I'm going to use a very small quantity of this orange corrector. Where if on my forehead I feel little darkness is there, so I'll color correct that also. I'll use this brush to blend my color corrector. Now I take few drops of my foundation. So mostly I apply my foundation with a brush, with a flat brush, and then I just blend it with the wet beauty blender. This is LA Girl Pro Concealer in the shade medium base. I'm going to use it on my eyes for concealing purpose. I'm going to use very little, and I'm just going to blend this very nicely. To set this concealer in my eyes, I'm going to use Maybelline Fit Me loose powder. I'll take little, very little. Same this side. And I'm going to leave this loose powder for maybe 20 seconds, and then I'll wipe the extra. I'm going to take this fluffy brush and I'm going to wipe off the extra powder. I'm going to keep the eyes simple. I'm going to take this little purple color and just applying it on my eyelid. Same on the other eye. I'm going to give little pinkish shade on my eyelid. So I'm going to use this shade here, right here, little bit, and I'm just applying it on my eyelid. I'm also going to have little pink shimmer on my eyelid, very lightly. See, in this side also. So I'm done with my eyeliner. Now I'm going to apply the kajal on my. I'm taking the black eyeshadow here, and I'm going to just tap it on my lower lash line kajal so that it doesn't come out. Now I'm going to curl my eyelashes. Voluminous Lash Paradise mascara. I'm going to use this NYX bronzer to contour my face. I'm going to use this peach color here. From the same kit, I'm going to use the highlighter here on the highest points of my face, on the cheeks, For lips, I'm going to use the red lipstick. Firstly, I'll outline my lips and then I'll fill it in. For precise application, I'm going to use the brush. To set my face, I'm going to use this NYX matte setting spray. I'm just going to accessorize. So here is my final look. I hope you guys liked it. I'll be uploading more makeup videos. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.